In travel news for May 3rd, 2023, we talk about Seabourn Cruise Line's Grand Africa voyage, renovations coming to the Paris in Las Vegas, and the cruise industry agrees to limit the number of ships in Juneau, Alaska. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that makes travel so easy. Even a blind person can do it. And this is Today in Travel. Seabourn Cruise Line, a renowned luxury cruise company, has recently announced its first ever Grand Africa voyage, a 90-day journey that will take intrepid travelers on a thrilling adventure around the African continent. Departing from Barcelona, Spain on November 30th, 2024, this remarkable cruise aboard the 458-passenger Seabourn Sojourn will provide guests with an unparalleled opportunity to explore the diverse landscapes, cultures, and wildlife of Africa. The Grand Africa voyage will visit a total of 44 ports in 26 countries, encompassing a diverse array of destinations. Travelers will have the chance to experience iconic cities such as Alexandria, Egypt, Tel Aviv, Israel, Jerusalem, Israel, Cape Town, South Africa, and Casablanca, Morocco. Moreover, they will be able to explore the breathtaking natural beauty of the Seychelles near East Africa, Bam Island in the Gulf of Guinea, Kenya, Madagascar, Zanzibar, and Mozambique. In order to provide an unforgettable experience, Seabourn has crafted a variety of excursions tailored to suit every traveler's preferences. Outdoor enthusiasts can embark on hikes, safaris, and scuba diving adventures, while those looking for unique cultural experiences can visit a camel milk farm, botanical gardens, and even a gorilla sanctuary. The cruise will also feature 6 overnight stays, allowing passengers to immerse themselves in the local culture and truly savor each destination. To further enhance the Grand Africa voyage experience, Seabourn is offering a range of complimentary benefits. These include round-trip business class flights, a pre-departure dinner and overnight stay at the Hotel Majestic in Barcelona, as well as a car transfer from home to the airport and luggage shipping services. Ocean View and Veranda Suite guests will receive $2,000 in shipboard credit per suite or $1,000 credit per person, while guests in Penthouse and Premium Suites will enjoy a $3,000 credit per suite or $1,500 per person. Additionally, unlimited laundry service is included in the package. Travelers eager to secure their spot on this once-in-a-lifetime journey should act quickly, as those who book the sailings and pay in full by July 26, 2023 will receive an additional 10% savings off the cruise-only fare. The Grand Africa voyage is just one of the exciting new offerings from Seabourn in 2024. Another noteworthy addition is the Seabourn Pursuit Expedition ship, which will be the first Seabourn vessel to sail to the stunning Kimberley region in Australia. With these groundbreaking itineraries, Seabourn continues to push the boundaries of luxury travel, offering unforgettable experiences for discerning adventurers. Caesars Entertainment has recently unveiled ambitious plans to renovate and rebrand the Jubilee Tower at the Horseshoe, Las Vegas, which was formerly Bally's, as the Versailles Tower, integrating it into the iconic Paris-Las Vegas resort. This extravagant $100 million project will not only enhance the resort's offering, but also create a seamless connection between the two properties, catering to the needs and desires of discerning travelers. The Versailles Tower will undergo a comprehensive makeover, including the redesign of 756 luxury guest rooms and the construction of a new pedestrian bridge that will connect the tower to the existing Paris resort. This substantial upgrade aims to provide guests with an elevated experience featuring some of the largest standard rooms on the Strip, starting at an impressive 436 square feet. Select guest rooms will also boast new 55-square-foot balconies offering unparalleled views of the dazzling cityscape. Caesars Entertainment has also taken the opportunity to introduce several new restaurant concepts to Paris, Las Vegas. Guests can now indulge in gastronomic delights at The Bedford by Martha Stewart, Vanderpump à Paris, and Nobu. These fresh dining options, combined with the resort's extensive gaming offerings, promise to make the revamped Versailles Tower an irresistible destination for visitors to the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. The regional president of Caesars Entertainment expressed enthusiasm for the project, stating that interior and exterior will be completely reimagined and transformed into some of the best rooms in Las Vegas. He added that the Versailles Tower, once opened in the fall, will grant guests easy access to the incredible restaurants and gaming options they have grown to love at Paris Las Vegas. The Versailles Tower guest rooms are expected to be completed by late 2023, with the pedestrian bridge following in early 2024. This ambitious renovation project underscores Caesars Entertainment's commitment to continuously enhancing its properties, making Paris Las Vegas one of the largest and most luxurious resorts at the heart of the Strip. Travelers can eagerly anticipate an unparalleled experience when the Versailles Tower doors open to welcome them into its lavish embrace. The city of Juneau, Alaska, and major cruise lines have recently reached an agreement to limit the number of large cruise ships visiting the port to a maximum of 5 per day. The decision, made through a memorandum of understanding, aims to balance the needs of the cruise industry, the local community, and the regional tourism sector. Although this agreement will not affect the 2023 Alaska cruise season, it will come into effect starting from the 2024 season. The Memorandum of Understanding was signed in good faith by the Cruise Lines International Association, representing over 40 member cruise companies, and the city of Juneau. The tourism manager for the city and borough of Juneau expressed her support for the agreement, stating, "The visitor industry is critical to our local economy, and we must preserve the things that make Juneau such a wonderful place to live and visit." She further emphasized the importance of the tourism sector remaining strong for years to come. The limitation of 5 large ships per day is expected to benefit the tourist industry, especially as the capacity of cruise liners continues to grow with newer vessels. Ships such as the Norwegian Cruise Line's Norwegian Bliss, Princess Cruises' Majestic Princess, and Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas and Ovation of the Seas are scheduled to visit Juneau in 2023. As cruise line schedules are usually set a year or more in advance, this new memorandum will not have an immediate impact on the current season. However, it will be taken into account as schedules for 2024 and beyond are drafted and refined. This agreement between Juneau and the major cruise lines showcases a commitment to maintaining a balance between the thriving tourism industry and preserving the unique qualities that make Juneau an attractive destination. By working together, both parties can ensure a sustainable future for the region and continue to offer unforgettable experiences for visitors to Alaska's capital city. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends. Unforgettable experiences for visitors and 458 passenger Seabourn